Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be painting this guy. This is a tiny little SLA printed Elven Ranger. An Elven Ranger, I'm pretty sure. We recently, if you saw one of our last videos, got a new printer. This is SLA, which is different than my FDM printers that you've probably seen in the other videos. This has extreme detail and it's insane. This is like, that's that small. Like you can hardly see the layer lines. And this took, I think it was about 2 hours to print, which isn't bad. I mean, the detail is insane. This is crazy. I've got it, my dad's got it running. It's actually his printer, so he's gonna be using it more than I'll be using it. Because it's his, and I'll just ask him for prints. He'll probably teach me how to use it, and I'll probably be able to use it, but it's gonna be in his ownership, whereas the other two printers are actually mine. So I requested this, we downloaded it, and got it sliced up, not with G-code because it uses different software. It's just crazy different compared to the 3D printers that I have. So first I'm going to trim off all the support because that's not part of the model, that's part of the support system. I'm going to cut all that off and then I'm going to start painting. Okay, so I got the support material off. You can see the stuff right there. There's the support material. And I started painting him, doing his robe and stuff in purple, and I got some blue pants on him, doing the little armor pieces in silver so far, and we're going where it takes me, I guess. I got his face painted tan. His sheath will be brown. You can see right there. I'll probably do the handle silver as well, and then I'll probably do some gold highlights here and there if I can, but right now I'm just working on this, getting it looking as good as I can as I go, and hoping it'll turn out awesome. So I'm just gonna work on some more of this right now. Okay, so I think I finished painting it. I spent not a whole lot of time, not hours, just maybe an hour, maybe less than an hour, probably less than an hour painting this guy, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. So here it is, right here. I've got him all painted up. It's there, I think it's focused. Yeah, so I was using paintbrushes, really tiny ones. I have about 3 of them that were small enough to paint him, so I painted him with those, and I use enamel paints, which I think work awesomely, and I like the turnout of it. And one thing that's interesting with painting is when you have a big object, painting can add detail to it. You could shade it, you can add little designs into it that aren't in the actual a piece of thing that you're painting or the 3D printed model. But with something this small, I feel like all you can do is take away the detail. And that's kind of what I was doing in a way with painting it, but I'm glad, I'm happy with how it looks. If you want a piece just to show off the detail of the Anycubic 3D printer, you probably shouldn't paint it. The painting can hide the details, and one tiny slip up can make a part look ugly, I guess. Like maybe a piece of armor look a little stretched in one area, which makes the print or the little guy look lopsided or something. There's little tiny things you could do to make it mess up. So this is my first attempt at printing anything from the Anycubic Photon 3D printer, and I am happy with how it turned out. But I've still got a lot of room to improve. And so, as I progress in my skills, hopefully I can paint things better and better. So this is just the first one. So I'll go over the colors that I used to paint it. Okay, so you can see the pants I painted blue, and the armor pieces I painted silver. And on top of the armor pieces, you can see little, I guess, highlights in gold that I did. I did some on his shoulders. I also painted his sword sheath brown, kind of like leather. I painted the sheath silver, and a little knob on top, I painted that gold. I painted his face the tan color that I have, and his little teeny ears poking out of his hood I also painted. Because I wasn't super neat with the paint, I got some on the base, and I didn't really know how to fix that, so I just painted the top of the base black with my graphite colored enamel paint, And those are the colors that I used. Oh, I also, all his robes, I used a glossy grape color, which I guess wouldn't be an accurate representation of what clothing would look like, but I still think he looks pretty good. So I think that's actually going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button. If you like painting 3D printed objects, if you like 3D printing stuff, if this is a whole new world to you, check out some of my other videos. I don't always paint. That's on a rare occasion do I paint something. But check out the other videos. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't bother. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.